And now we are going. You guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a good video for you guys today. So I've been wanting to do like what is it called? Oh, like a DIY video or like a how-to video, just like showing you guys something or like teaching you guys something. So I decided to do a simple, easy video, and comment down below what other how-to videos you guys want. If you guys want to see any how-to videos, and if you want to see any DIY videos, then comment those videos down below. But you see what I'm trying to teach you guys how I edit my Instagram photos. It's pretty easy. I'm a beginner when it comes to editing Instagram photos. I like editing videos, so photos are a little bit harder to me for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm gonna show you guys how to edit Instagram photos. So while I was walking outside, I took some Instagram photos for this video. So I have two apps I'm gonna be using today, and I'll put them in the description. I probably won't link them because they're apps, but I'll try to put them in the description so you guys can get it. So, okay, let me make sure it's screen recording. Okay, so the two apps I'm gonna be using today is gonna be Airbrush and Picsart. Two simple, easy apps you can get on Apple phones and Android phones too. So we're gonna start with Airbrush, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go with the daylight feature.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
So I'm okay. So I'm using the daylight feature right now, and I'm trying to add like make it look like more sun, as you guys can see on the photo, like more trees, more shade.
I don't really care what they all say.
Daylightish. I'm just gonna add that to the
It's easier said than done. That guy driving to let you out.
Right now I'm switching. I'm gonna show you. Right now I'm switching this side. Let's see what
Anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Actually,
You were never
okay, so I went back and forth to see if it changed a little bit.
Now I gotta keep it.
So I want to crop it. There's a car in the background.
Walking
So
downtown and
when
I'm
I crop stuff, I try to like.
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of
Sharpen.
day.
We're gonna sharpen it a little bit.
It's easier said than done. That guy driving to let you out, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
Okay, but now we're gonna go to.
It's more than a feeling.
We're gonna go to 4 because I want to kind of like work
You were
around.
never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
Like, and I'm also gonna blur out the background. I really just want to focus on the trees.
It's more than a feeling.
Just more.
You were never meant for me.
That. Now I am going to.
Now I gotta keep it.
I'm going to do it at 75. At vigilant. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So now we're gonna go on retouch. It's like the first thing on the app. We're gonna go to retouch. We're gonna go to smooth, and we're gonna smoothen it out like on our neck, our face, and probably on the shirt. The shirt is a little wrinkly, so we're just gonna smoothen the shirt out too. Because my shirt is a little wrinkly. We're gonna go ahead and smooth that out. We're gonna smooth my face out. We're just gonna smooth everything. Okay, I'm either gonna smooth the trees some also. Okay, so now we're gonna go to heavy, and I want to do it heavy. So I like to do it heavy. Let me change the size. There we go. So yeah, we're just gonna smoothen that out. Okay, everything is smooth. Now we're gonna go back to retouch, and we're gonna go to skin tone. And we're gonna do my skin tone is like a darker brown on the darker black side. And we're going to make that my whole skin tone.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so
we're gonna mark that everywhere. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to go now. I think that's it. Is that it, y'all? Is that it? I think that's it. I did vision it at 75. I think that's it. Okay, so now that we're done with blur, we're gonna go ahead and save. With airbrush, we're gonna go ahead and save that. Okay, we're gonna save that to our library. Did it save? Okay, it's saved. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to Picsart, which is one of my favorite apps. I also use Picsart for my thumbnails too. So you guys want to see how to make a thumbnail video, please say it down below. I'm gonna click that new photo. Now we're gonna go to tools, and we're going to go to enhance. We're gonna go to enhance, and we're gonna enhance it just a little bit at like 11. And we're gonna go to saturation. There we go. So I'm gonna go to FX effects, right? And we're gonna go to. We're gonna do film 3. Man, I'm trying to do like a nice aesthetic for y'all. So maybe HDR. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that. We're gonna go back to FX effects. Okay, we're gonna go to beauty, and we're gonna smoothen this out on here too, just because it gives you different features. So we're gonna smooth this out on here too. We're gonna smooth that out. So like that. And now I'm gonna go to lens flare. Oh, never mind. Is that it?
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Everyone's looking like they know what they do. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing.
Okay, so now we're gonna push next, and we're gonna go to, we're gonna save that, right? Hold on, you guys. I'm trying to make sure that it's screen recording. So I really want to screen record. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to Instagram. I'm gonna show you guys how I upload my Instagram. So We're gonna go to Instagram. We're gonna post this. I'm doing like a DIY video. So for the caption, I'm gonna say like, beautiful day outside. I'm gonna say something that can, something with an aesthetic to it. So now we're gonna go ahead and space it. So now we're going to go ahead and do the hashtags. For hashtags, I like to do For You page. For You, and then I like to do FYP. Hashtag FYP.
He's got it all figured out.
Okay. I also like to do For You.
Everyone's looking at you, thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at you, thinking that I'm different.
Then I like to do Outdoors.
I don't really care what they all say.
Outdoor photography.
That guy driving to live through
And now we're going to do, is that all? Oh, we're gonna do day. Should I do day? No. I always like to do YouTuber, at least. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully I gave y'all some good advice, and hopefully I did good editing it. So comment down below if you guys edit your Instagram photos or you just take it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.